A soil sample is underlying a water column of height h1 as shown in the figure. The vertical effective stresses at points A, B and C are F sigma A dash, sigma B dash, sigma C dash respectively. Let gamma sat and gamma dash be the saturated and the submerged unit weights of soil sample respectively, and gamma W be the unit weight of the water. So it's W, it's water. Which one of the following expressions correctly represents the sum of sigma A dash, sigma B dash, sigma C dash? So these are the options. After summing up these three, so which is equal to one of them, we need to find out the answer. So for this we need to know how to calculate pore pressure first. So pore pressure and also effective stress. Okay, so let's see the problem. Just I'm changing the color. So as it is given, I'll just draw a rough diagram here. There are two columns, two different columns. One is water of height h1 and another column is soil sample. This soil sample is also divided into two parts, h2 and h3, but it is totally soil. Just these two are divided, this soil is divided into two parts just because to denote a point B, and this is a point A, and this is a point C. That is what the given in the question. So this is water and there is a pressure tube which is attached. Also at this point, at the point of B also it is attached, and at the point of C which is at the bottom. Okay, now as shown in the figure in the question, so water height which has come up into the pressure tube is of the same height, equal to this height. So now what we have to calculate, at every point we need to calculate effective stress. Dash is effective sigma A dash and sigma B dash and sigma C dash, and then we have to sum them. Okay, so what is the answer? So here given gamma saturated unit weight of the soil is gamma saturate, and submerged unit weight of the soil is gamma sub dash, and also gamma water is the unit weight of the water. So by using these terms and the height, we need to find out the sum. First of all, how to calculate effective stress at any point in the soil? It is total stress minus pore water pressure. Okay, pore water pressure. So how to calculate total stress? So here you just take, this is gamma W and this is gamma sat, right? These are the total unit weights of water and soil. To find out the net unit weight of the soil when the water is filled above or anywhere, so you need to find out the gamma submerged. So how to calculate gamma submerged? Equal to gamma saturate minus gamma W. This is how you need to calculate gamma submerged. Okay, anyway, now we'll see. First of all, sigma A dash. So total stress at A minus pore water pressure at pore water pressure at A. So total stress at A is what? So whatever is the weight of the sample, any sample, maybe water, maybe soil completely, that total weight or total stress due to the sample above the A, that is what there is only water is existing. So total stress is coming only due to the water. So how to calculate the stress? Gamma into height will give you the stress. So only water is existing, that's why I am taking only unit weight of the water. Now what is the pore water pressure? You just see the height of the water which is coming into the pressure tube here from this point. That height is equal to the H1. Okay, how to calculate pore water pressure? Again it is gamma into H, which, so again the pore water pressure means you have to take the unit weight of the water into the height of the water which is coming into the pressure tube, which is existing at A height, at the height of A. So that is also equal to again H1. This is also H1, the height of the water which is above the A, and total weight, total stress is coming due to only water. Now this is equal to 0. So that's how the effective stress at A is calculated. Now effective stress at B, again total minus pore water pressure. Total stress at the B, pore water pressure at the B. So how to calculate total? Again we have water as well as soil above the B, you see. So above the B, so I'll take the total stress due to water separately and soil separately. How to take total weight of the water here? Again same, gamma W into H1, right, plus what is the another thing, the soil column of height H2, and whose unit weight is gamma sat. To calculate the total stress you need to take gamma sat, right, gamma sat into H2. This is from the water which is, okay, water above soil column, and this is saturated soil. So I am taking differently, separately. So this is completely total stress minus, you have to deduct pore water pressure from the total stress, then only you will get the effective stress. Okay, how to calculate? So at this point, what is the pressure from the water? To know the pressure from the water, there is a pressure tube. So the water height in the pressure tube is equal to H1 plus H2, if you see. So you can deduct that much water pressure, H1 plus H2, right? Now this is pore water pressure, PP, pore water pressure. So I'm just going into the next slide. Gamma W into H1 plus gamma sat into H2 minus gamma W into H1 minus gamma W into H2, right? This is what the expression. So gamma WH1 will be cancelled, then gamma sat H2 minus gamma WH2. Here gamma sat minus gamma W, take H2 as common, then gamma sat minus gamma W, we know gamma submerged of the soil, okay, into H2. This is sigma dash at B. Now again sigma dash at C will be in the same as that of calculation of sigma B dash. So what is the total stress? Stress due to water, stress due to the soil sample which is saturated of height H2 plus H3. Just that here another term will come, gamma sat into H3, that term will come, that's it. And here also water unit weight which is equal to H1 plus H2 plus H3, here just plus H3 will come, here also plus H3 will come. Now just take that above C, this is C, above C gamma W into H1, right, plus gamma sat into H2 plus H3, okay, H2 plus H3. So this is the total stress above C minus pore water pressure, gamma W into H1 plus H2 plus H3. What do you get? Gamma W into H1, gamma W into H1, that will be cancelled, minus, then here gamma sat H2 plus H3, here also H2 plus H3 will be remaining. So gamma sat minus gamma W into H2 plus H3, right? So which is gamma dash into H2 plus H3. So now finally sigma A dash plus sigma D B dash plus sigma C dash equal to 0. This one is 0 plus sigma B dash is take gamma dash of the soil. That means gamma dash, just gamma dash into H2 here plus gamma dash into H2 plus gamma dash into H3. I am just making separate, that's it. So now take H2 common, sorry, here 2 gamma dash H2, 2 gamma dash H2 plus gamma dash H3. So take gamma dash common, 2H2 plus H3. So the answer is gamma dash into 2H2 plus H3. Gamma dash into 2H2 plus H3. So A is the answer.